let's run another workshop update of cars that we've currently got at PBMS. So behind me we've got the R32 GTR, just in for an extreme twin plate clutch and a couple repairs of oil leaks. Yeah, the Evo 10 behind me, that's all up and running now as well. So engine swap has been completed and all the bolt-on upgrades have been fitted. So that's just waiting on a tune for it now. Chris's car is back as well. This is one of our favorite cars from a recent build. This time he's in for the 6-speed conversion, which has all been completed. So now making a solid driveline for it as well. And another recent build behind us, Israel's car. So we're fitting a link ECU to this car now. So the new Vision 11 plug-in, we're gonna adapt to suit the Legacy. And then he's got a big Elkin front brake upgrade as well. And Lake's car is back in, this time for just regular maintenance, as well as making it a little bit more quiet, or giving at least the options. We have made a muffler that is removable, so you can switch between a nice and quiet sound and full out straight pipe. Jaden's back as well, so he had a bit too much fun with his rolling anti-lag, and we're now looking to build him a strong engine so he can actually enjoy it. So that's just been pulled out of the car and will be rebuilt shortly. Jaden's car originally was very basic, so it just had a standard version 7 STI short block fitted, and then further and further upgrades came along the way throughout the years, and now it's been making nearly 300 kilowatts, very small responsive turbo. Plus inside the car we have fitted a Ganop with a momentary switch for anti-lags. Yeah, so if you're pressing it, it holds you at a fixed RPM for your building boost, and as soon as you release, you get a big kick and the car takes off. So during one of the sessions using the anti-lag, the factory shim got spat out and caused a bit of damage in the cylinder head. We've got a couple pretty cool parts in here as well. Yeah, so got the Radium fuel cell in here, which is going into a BMW M4 drift car. So it's a very nice piece of kit. And then we've also got a new Link product here. So Link's finally released a PDM. So that's the first one that we've got, and we're looking forward to seeing more of these in cars that we do. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time.